Thread versus Twitter. What is the difference? And what is similar? If you're interested to know, then keep on watching. And before we start, hit the like button and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. Developed by Meta and linked to your Instagram account, Threads is yet another Twitter rival to hit our screens. Meta created the text-based discussion program, which enables real-time message creation and sharing. Threads is the latest Twitter rival to throw its hat into the social media ring. As per the reports, the all-new microblogging platform has surpassed 30 million users, and it's still growing. Mind you, this app seems to be the fastest to reach this amount of users. Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO and co-founder of Meta, announced the official launch of Threads on Wednesday. Threads is Meta's attempt to ward off the wave of users who have abandoned Twitter in response to Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, who has a reputation of being extremely unpredictable. So, what are the differences between Twitter and Threads? There are various ways in which Threads adapts Twitter's features for Instagram users, even if it is clear that it is still a work in progress. We could even claim that Threads excels at a few tasks that Twitter does not: character and video limits. Threads have a 500-character limit according to Meta, whereas unverified Twitter users are limited to 280 characters. Twitter only allows non-verified users to publish 2 minutes and 20 seconds of video. Threads allows users to post 5-minute videos. Next, sign-up requirements. You need an Instagram account in order to sign up for Threads. They can import their followers and bio information from their Instagram profiles. You can download the Threads app for iOS and Android after creating your account. On the other hand, Twitter is a standalone social media tool. An account on any other site is not necessary. Ad policies. Thread launched with no ads for its users. But since the platform is still very much in its early infancy, we can't expect it to stay that way for too long. Meta has stated that ads may appear on the platform at some stage, which would line up with the advertisements shown on apps like Facebook and Instagram. Twitter does feature apps on its platform in different formats. Ads on Twitter appear with a promoted icon and can be promoted ads, follower ads, and trend takeover. Even users that are verified see ads on Twitter, making it a vital part of the platform. Desktop app. Threads is currently only available as an app on Android and iOS devices, which means you can only access it on the likes of smartphones and tablets. While it is possible to view Threads on the web via threads.net, there is no desktop interface. Posts can be made only via the app, and that too was something the company was working on. That means you can't use Threads on desktop PCs and laptops, which may be a big issue if that's your main way of using social media. Twitter doesn't have this restriction, accessible as both an app on Android and iOS and through a web browser, so you can still log into your platform on Mac and PC. Next, GIFs and DMs. Threads does not support GIFs or direct messages. It is missing numerous basic features at launch. This includes the lack of direct messaging. We imagine Meta is working on this feature as it is available on Instagram. Threads also doesn't support GIFs when creating a new post. Right now, you can only use text, images, and videos in posts. Next, pricing. Threads is entirely free to download and use. Twitter Blue is $8 per month or $84 per year. Now that you know their key differences, let's now talk about their similarities. 1. Short message sharing and engagement. Threads and Twitter share a core objective, providing users with platforms to share concise messages and engage with others. 2. Chronological Timeline. Both Threads and Twitter offer users a chronological timeline, ensuring real-time updates. Engagement features. Engagement lies at the heart of social media, and both Threads and Twitter provide users with various features to facilitate interactions. Lastly, privacy controls. Privacy is a paramount concern for social media users, and both Threads and Twitter recognize its importance. Users can customize their privacy settings on both platforms, choosing between public or private accounts. This allows individuals to exercise control over who can access their content and engage with their posts. So there you have it. Thread versus Twitter. What's the difference and what's similar? I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you will be updated on our next video. And before this video ends, did you know that you can use any AI through API, pay less, but get better results every day? Yes, just by using AI Collective. AI Collective is an AI front-end script that you can install on any hosting and works with ChatGPT and 8 other AI models without buying their subscriptions. Get multi-AI in one place. Why use only ChatGPT when you can use every AI with AI Collective? Generate unique and copyright-free images, generate text, and get answers from AI. Have huge ready-made prompt library that comes with dozens of AI employees and assistant personas. Upload and use documents with AI. Get advanced marketer add-on, get the sharper AI edge by just paying for only what you use. Multitask easily with AI and get access to hidden and open source AIs. AI Collective helps creators get better results for every project. So what are you waiting for? Try AI Collective now. Just go to getaicollective.in. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.